Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Top of the top. Welcome back to the official Ox 28. Yesterday was an interesting day where we were buying here 550 around here when it came down. We didn't swing the whole thing. We put I ended the live before this happened, but I went break even around like 625 when it was here, 664. Then on this move here, it took me out. But look where it went before the close from all the way here. Surpasses the open. But it's so good. That things happen sometimes. Sometimes trailing just stop loss is a missed opportunity. Sometimes it's not. Part of the business. It is what it is. Then on the London session, this whole move happened into a sell zone. So this sell zone right here happened the same way on New York session. It tapped it, New York session, 9:30, same thing here. So we're looking for the same reaction. We're looking for the same thing. Let's see what we get. All right. Let's mark our key levels. That's Asia high, London low. Let's put Asia. Then this is London high. So the market already swept London high. Really interesting. All right. We're ready to rock. Let's see what we get here, all right? 280. This is a key level where the market can get down from. Then we get 320. It's another key level. Put an alert there. Then the next one is gonna be 350. And 380. Those are our key levels. 80, 20, 50, and 80. So this is the 200 key level. Put it as yellow. Put it as blue. Oh, and the 180. All right, that's it. 5 more minutes for the open. See what we get. Okay, buckle up. We're about to get some money here. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, all right. We got this. See what's up. Let's put an alert. 200 and one at 250. 250 is a good level right here. Forgot to put that one, the 250. So it's a good level right here, 250. We almost forgot that one. 250 key level. All right. 3 more minutes for the open. Like and subscribe. Start getting ready your questions and all your stuff. Because we're about to make some money. All right, we can see that the bigs haven't done anything yet. It seems like it's in the middle of the trend. All right, it hit the key level at 250 before the open. Let's see what the dollar is doing. Ooh, look at the dollar. The dollar is going up crazy. All right. The correlation is when the dollar goes up or the bigs, Dow Jones, it had to go down. But sometimes the correlation is off. This week it been off crazy. Like we're back to the tariff times. Today was this news where it's no impact, didn't move anything. These 2 days when it was positive, the market went down crazy and then went back up. So this one right here didn't make the market move at all. Let's see if there any no firework from Trump and soon. Okay, nothing important yet. See, boom, 250 key level, really strong. All right. See what we get with the bigs. All Oh man, they dropping it. They dropping it. They dropping it at the open. You already know what time it is. They are going crazy at the open. All right. Market is going crazy. The bigs haven't done anything yet. They're moving based on the dollar today, maybe. Who knows? Let's see. We barely trade the open because it's a lot of noise. You might get trapped on the wrong direction. So sometimes the open is the only trade that freaking makes money. After the open, everything is just a whole movie. But we're gonna wait and see what we get. Gotta give it some time to that candle to do its thing. But most of the time, the candle open, that first 15-minute candle is the candle that will give you that 200, 300 points, like nine, like that. Boom. Yep. See. All right, you see the market open candle. It's already down 158 points. Yep, that was really fast. Close, came back. Brand new candle. All right, brand new candle right here. 50% retracement. All right, the market top Asia high. So breaking retest. See what they got. Let's see. Looks like it wanna bounce. It wanna bounce. So with the VIX might want to go up. Cause the dollar is on steroids today. All right, all right. We're gonna try our first buy. Back to the zone. Let's see around here. We'll probably below. See how the market react there. Oh, it never came back. All right. Never mind then. Well, we doing a full reversal, even with the dollar going up like that. Oh my. Okay, okay, okay. All right. 5 more minutes. Okay, okay. Full retracement. Literally full retracement. retracement. No way. Full retracement. First key level 150. See what we get from there. All right. The market hit the 120 key level. It didn't want to go up higher. It respected the 120 key level. So let's see. See what's the next move on this.
I can't help you with that.
All right, there you have it. Market's going down now. The 500 key level, not a zero. That's the one we like earlier, but we don't know yet what's gonna happen here. Brand new 15-minute candle, 145. Oof, look at the dollar. What happened? something's they probably about to twist something crazy. Look at that drop. Oh, look at the pegs going up. That's crazy. Right. Right. Look, same thing happened yesterday. At the open, we had the same drop. So for me personally, I'm not accustomed to trade the open, but I had to. I had to get. I had to get little by little comfortable with it. At least trading small, so I don't miss these kind of opportunities. Because this week I have missed every open. I have missed the opportunity. Sometime after the open, it's no more setups. It's just random moves. The reason that I never was interested in trading the open was because it's always messy. But recently, it's been clean, really clean. Look at this at the 50. That's really interesting right there. When he come when he comes back to a 20, I'm gonna take that buy. Actually, I'm gonna take it at 20 right here. Go reaction. I would put a buy limit at 20. It looks it might come up based on the momentum. Where am I? Where my indicator went? The order flow is still bearish. So, oof, look at that. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, look at that drop. Oh my. New candle open up bearish right away. This is crazy right there. You know me. I'll go break even just in case because I don't like this. That took me out. Let's see for a reaction. Let's try the 500. Let's try the 500. That's diabolical right there. The next candle went up crazy. Oh man. Come on. That's crazy. Look at how it did us. Damn. All right, let's wait for this candle to close. Get back in at the 20. It's gonna be our first trade. So anything can happen. Let me see. Yeah, let's do that at 20. I think it's what it is. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. That's crazy. That candle didn't trigger us. Oh man, that's not good. That candle right there is supposed to trigger us. So at the 50 key level right there. Right. I want to see how the market react when it comes back here to the 20. It looks kind of weird. Sometimes going break even that quick, it's not that good. Market likes to play games with you. You know how it goes. All right, so on the other floor, it's saying they're still bullish a little bit. The dollar is coming up again. This is the situation where you don't know what is the actual correlation between them. Because look at the base how it's going down. Look at the dollar. So which one they going based on? The bigs? Probably because it's going down now. Who knows? But we definitely messed up by going break even that quick right there. We definitely did. Gotta be accountable of your actions. So look at right there. Reacted to the 80 again. It looks they wanna drop it. This brand new candle right here. The 50 again. Right here, the 20. 5 seconds for the new candle. Look at it right there. It's no bullish engulfing there. So not that good. And they have 3 minutes left to go. They might push it down. Who knows? We gotta wait. See what they come with. It's too much assumption there on the top. at the 80. The order flow is still bearish, so we're not gonna enter yet. There is no confirmations here either, so it's still kind of dangerous. But that's a good key level, to be honest. Looks you wanna respect it now. This is what we're gonna do. The next candle we're gonna buy. All right. That was a good bounce right there. Perfect. We just need to move up now. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice. Right. The order flow is bullish now. Yeah. This key level right here, the 80, it's a really strong key level. Right here. Market gotta break that in order to be bullish. The 80 and the 120. So we gotta wait for that to actually happen. The order flow is bullish right now. Let's see what the dollar doing. The dollar is going down, so the correlation now is on our favor. Let's do this, baby. Let's go break even. If anything happens, you already know. Put my stop loss here just in case. Secure some profits. Right, perfect. Put a stop loss here below that candle. Secure some more profits. If anything we get out, we re-enter on it. still bearish, so we want to take profits along the way because this right here is really strong. So we want to make sure we get some money along the way. You know how it is. Oh, there you go. You see, boom. It's gonna hit the 50. Gonna get back to the 20.
Connection.
Gonna get back to the 20. Play with some profits. Back to the highs. It hit the 50 and then rebounds. Right. The order flow turned bearish now. Let's look for a reaction. Probably the zero. Who knows? Let's see what they get. Let's let's try the 20. It can just spike and go below to the zero right here. We can still get in. Let's see what they get. But you see, this is a really strong key level right there. The 80. Really strong. Really strong. We're gonna take our chances here. This candle has 47 seconds left. New candle here. I don't like to get in with a new candle like that because a new candle, 5 minutes can just try to make a sweep. But it is what it is. Reacted to the 50 again. That's crazy. All right, that candle looks we're gonna close about above the 50. And it did. New candle. What is the dollar doing? Dollar is going down now. All right. The VIX is going up. All right. So on this trade, if it take us, if it triggers, it goes back up. We're gonna leave it break even to swing it. So it might go back up. It might be a chance that it might go back up if the dollar and the VIX starts falling. So we're gonna give the market some room. Right, the VIX is coming up. Hit the 80 again. Come on, man, trigger us. So if it close to the 120 and comes back to the 50 or to the 80, we might take the buy because that means the bullish momentum is a little bit stronger to keep going up now. All right, 2 minutes left. And this candle can definitely just go trigger, go lower before it ends, before it close, then can reverse. So hopefully it just come and triggers it before it close, and then close above the price for the next candle that opens. All right, look at that. Bullish engulfing above the 80 finally. All right, the candle have 1 minute left. It's gonna hit the 50 probably. The next candle might hit the 21, the 20. So look at that. He pin it. The order flow turned bullish now, so it might not come back down. There you go. Close above. New candle. Let's check on the dollar. Dollar's bearish. All right. Mm, The order flow printed really, really strong for sales right now. That's why it reacted like that here at the 80. And they sold again at the 80. All right, 15-minute candle. It looks it wants to come down. 13 minutes left. Like to check on how the candle has minutes left, so we know the momentum most likely how it will react to the prices based on how it's coming down and how many minutes left it has. So that candle with 15 minutes left can trigger the 50 and go lower. New candle can just trigger and the new one can just go down here. Who knows? Let's see. I do like the 50. I would like to take a buy there, but it's kind of risky. That candle can just blow it. But you know, the market does what you gotta do. That's the way it goes. Let's see what's the volume on this area right here. See, the 50 is the strongest level, and this one was the strongest level right there. That's crazy. That's where they have the most. The volume is between this area. That makes totally sense. The volume is right here. That's where they displace most of the volume. This whole area right here. That makes totally sense. 66. All right, hit the 50 perfectly. Next candle. This candle has 9 minutes left. This new candle can drop here for 20 easily. So let's see what they get. All right, the market easily can just make a new lower low. Back to London. So we're taking a chance. Literally right there, boom. Perfectly there. Literally can just make that. But we're gonna take our chance at the 20. It is what it is. We're gonna take our chance. So good. Oof. Look at that, the 50. That's a great reaction right there. The 50. Strong key level. Hit the 50 again. Oh, look at the BIX. The BIX is going up crazy again. But the dollar is dropping. So they might be going based on the dollar. So look at the BIX. They might be going based on the dollar today. it keeps coming back down to the 50. This is what we're gonna do. Let's buy the 50. Oof. Oh no, it's not gonna hold it. Oh, it's gonna hit the 20. It's coming down crazy. All right, we're about to get triggered soon. We're literally about to get triggered. Let's see what's up. Nice candle. There you go. We got trigger. As we said, it can be a whole new lower low. We're just technically risking that. Oof. Yeah, the order flow is bearish, really bearish. It turned crazy bearish right now. So that 180 key level is really, really strong. Really strong. We're about to get taken out. Our trade. Yep. All right. Um, we just basically was risking to see if this react to it, but it didn't. And the order flow is really bearish right now. The dollar is coming up.
Stop filled.
The big is going up crazy too. So we gotta change our bias. So in this case, we gotta sell now. All right. When it comes up, we're gonna try to sell. Let's put an alert here at 20. See what we get. All right, first L of the day. All right, let's go to a 5 minute. Overall, still bullish. So it can come up anytime, but who knows? Who knows? Common sense, there were no confirmations here. We were just waiting for the market to react to it, but it didn't. So we're gonna be looking into sell anything above probably 120. Maybe the 50. If it comes back up to the 50. Right. Let's see. Oh, look at the pegs. There any news? Any news? Yeah, 48 minutes, 42 minutes ago. BOG. All right. So this is gonna be 61% retracement. So yeah, we might be looking into a sell around here. Stop loss above it. Something like that. It's going up. 36 minutes. 36 seconds. Almost at the 50. All right, we're gonna take the sell the 50. It is what it is. TP. They're low. All right, we're gonna take the sell the 50 and rock and roll. It is what it is. Oh no way. Come on, dog. That's crazy. We're gonna leave it open no matter what. It's all good. It might pass through it. Nice candle, but let me see. It cannot pick up bullish momentum now. Let's put it to the 80. Oh man. Nope. Let's put it back to the 50. Because the next candle might trigger it. Next candle going up. It's at the 20 right now. The order flow. The order flow is still bearish a little bit. It's at the 20 where we were buying earlier right here. We're buying right there. Market swept. Reacted to the 80 again. Here we go. The market's really tricky because you can do this 50% of this candle. It's gonna be the 20 and then down. We can retrace to the 50. Who knows? It's really, really tricky. One candle can come up there and your stop loss is technically around here. So let's see. Let's see what we get, cause was really interesting. That candle should have been the candle I get us trigger, but it didn't. The dollar, the back is going down. What's up with the dollar? The dollar is going down a little bit. See, almost triggered the 20. All right, maybe the next candle on the 5 minute time frame. This is a strong key level Asia session. Yeah, hit the 20 perfectly right there. This is what happens when you don't take. Then you open sometimes. These whole things happens after the open. It's just a whole mess. That's what happens. Really hard to tell. The crazy part is where the market is at. You can just reverse all the way. You can reverse all the way with no problem. This is just stacking orders all the way back by the end of the day. Just like that. But we trading it based on the key levels and the momentum is going down. So rather sell and buy. Look at that. Push to the 20 again. Now it's down. Really interesting. Key level right there. Really interesting. Really interesting. The order flow is still bearish. The order flow they bought. They bought the order flow. So take a look at this. The market is down, right? But look where this is at the top. So when it comes down, this can go up. Just like that. That's the only part on like that is high while this is low. So it can come down any it can come down any moment. This go up, shoot up. Look at the dollar. Dollar's doing nothing. Let's see. Nothing is for sure. It's zero. This key level is zero. Been playing there the whole day. This is the whole range. Sells here. Buys here. That's the whole game today. Buys here, sell here. Insane. about to be 11. I 11 the market retraces all the time. So who knows? Who knows? Who knows what we get? Look at the bigs. Bigs going down. The dollar's going up. What an interesting session. Same thing as yesterday. After 11 is that when they decide to make the next move. Order flow is bearish right now. Dollar coming up. That's a big candle. 90 again. Hit the 20 again. That's interesting. All right, bullish momentum for the order flow right now. Yep, bullish momentum for the order flow. You see, dollar coming down. You see, as I said, going down. This going up. See if we will get trigger on this one right here before 11. This one has to work. We hit this one had to work because strong key level, man. Come on. Back at the 20 again. Jesus. We were so close to trigger us, man. Go up and trigger us. We're willing to take the L, if anything. Ugh. This is a really strong key level. Look at this. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 times. Ridiculous. That's crazy. That candle might trigger us. Order flow is bullish now. Yep, really bullish. Close above the 20. Next candle. Oh my. That candle might trigger us. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. This is what I meant to do. Oh my. That candle was the one that's supposed to trigger us. This one. Going up. 1 minute left. This candle gotta trigger us. If he close right there, it's a good chance gonna keep going up. I don't like that. I don't like this 15-minute candle. Back at the 20 before it close. That's ridiculous. Supposed to trigger us first. Oh my. Now it looks kind of dangerous. Because this 15-minute candle closing here can just be a rally up, because this right here is just liquidity orders. So that's not good. That candle right there is supposed to trigger us. It looks it don't want to go up to the 15. Really weird. Right, did it here, did it here. It's not trustworthy, but we're gonna still take it no matter what. It is what it is. It's a 50-50 chance that it can work. 50% can work, 50% cannot. Any news? All right, let's candle. There you go. New 5-minute candle. You see, 15-minute candle. That's insane. That's insane. He just touched 49. Yeah, that candle just touched 49. Literally. It touched 49, now it's gone. The order flow is bullish or what? Let me see. Yeah, the order flow is bullish now. That's crazy right there. All right, guys, I'll be back. I'll be back. All right, there he goes. We got trigger. All right, look. Perfect. That's really gangster right there. Nice. Flawless execution. Now we go break even. Flawless execution, man. Key levels. Now we gotta just be break even. What else can you do? Hopefully the market turns around. We need now the dollar and the VIX to do the job. Oh God, look at the VIX. That's not good. That's not good at all. It reacted to the 20. That's a strong key level. Reacted to the 20 again. Look at that. I'm gonna still be break even because I don't like how it reacted to the 20, then came up again. That makes no sense. I'd rather be break even and reanalyze the trade. Because what else can you do? We leave it open, then it's gonna go through it, or you get break taken out and then it goes to your way. But if that's the case, and we get taken out and come down again, wait for the break and retest of the 20, we sell the 20 because this makes no sense. Literally makes no sense. Look at that. Look, that's nonsense. This is what we deal with around these times. All type of nonsense. Literally all type of nonsense. Look, they just went all the way there just to take us out. Crazy. And the 20 is still there, so the 20 is crazy key level. The market don't want to break. Now it might be bullish, who knows? Who knows? Look at that. There you go. Bullish. The order flow is bullish too now. Look at that. But when we were buying here at the 20, it didn't want to work. And now it did. The buy worked. Man, you cannot make this up. You cannot make this up. You can't. Look, the dollar is going up and the VIX is going up. So the correlation didn't help to hold this down at all. That's just crazy. Oh, now it's going down, the VIX. Dollar is still going up. I'm gonna take a sell at the 80. Stop loss here. Taking a sell at 80. Come on, now you don't go to the 80. That's crazy, man. Come on. I'm gonna take a sell at 80. Try our luck. See if the 80 works. Who knows if it works or not. All right, we got trigger at the 80. Let's see what happens here. Because look at the dollar, how crazy it's going up. Now the market's going with it. That's crazy. Look at the base going up. So the correlation is not there. So it might be just all the way bullish, straight up bullish. It happens. So the correlation was good earlier. Now no more. Market behaviors changes really, really crazy. 15-minute candle, got 5 minutes left. Completely bullish. So we might have to look into buys. We get taken out. We might be looking to buy at the 80 because this is just ridiculous. The VIX is going down. Maybe that's why. But when we were buying here at the 20 earlier, it took us out right here from here to there. Crazy, but it happens. Out of the business. There you go. Got taken out. Like fuck. This is irrelevant. This is irrelevant right now. They don't care about none of that shit. Like Jesus Christ. Fucking ridiculous. Fucking ridiculous. Ay, ay, ay. What a day on the shorts. People are just manipulating the shit out of this. Gotta look for a sell. For a buy. That's what we gotta do now. For a buy. It's gonna be 11 soon. Look at that candle. Straight up. Mm-mm. So the market's going with a correlation on their own way. That's man, bro. This is just ridiculous. This market is so crook. They just manipulating the thing out of this, man. Look, what is the dollar? US 30 is going with it. Yo, that's crazy. If it would have stayed on our buys, we would be up crazy right now. That's what happened. These manipulations. I actually was talking about that earlier. I didn't like that week, all these weeks here in this area. And look at right there. Insane. Insanity. All right, it's 11. See, that's what the market do. It just play with you. Sometimes you just gotta stay out and see what the market's doing because this is ridiculous, man. How the market was just playing this whole area. When we were selling, it was working. Then got us break even like 3 times. This was the sell momentum. Now we're trying to sell it within these levels and look what it's at right now. Pure manipulation to the highest. Can't make this up. We missed this buy here by just being bearish on the whole market. So when the market took us out, that means that it's not bearish no more based on this. So I didn't pay attention to that because I was still bearish, trying to sell the 80. Instead, I should have used buy the 50 because it's a strong key level. But it is what it is. Things that happens when you get stuck with one bias and you pay the price for it. We gotta wait for retracement. And where it's gonna retrace and stop, who knows? Nobody knows. It's going back to the sell zone right there on the top. So these days now they don't correlation is bull crap. They don't go based on the correlations no more. So it's pure freaking luck at this moment because not even market structure. It's a really really crazy game they playing right now. Really crazy game, man. 78% retracement. This is a 61. Crazy. Look, Asia High, breaking retest of Asia High. I know that too. So that's my fault for ignoring the signals. The areas were there for us to take the buys. We just we just got so focused on the sales that look, we were buying the whole time, targeting these highs. Then this took out our perception from sales to from buys to sales. And then now it's the buy and we're selling or the market was buying. Tough, tough one, really tough one, really tough. I won't lie to you, really tough one, really tough. Right now it's going back down. It hit the 200 key level, the top of the AM zone.
Now I want you to do this. Now I want you to do this. Now I want you to do this.
Yes, this shit is so manipulated. Through how the fuck this shit was going all the way up, crazy. Now they wanna drop it. When we when we were back in here, or even here, this was going up. The Bex was going up. Now the Bex is down. But like, it's no, it's weird. They don't care about no correlation now. It's like they do whatever they want. I mean, they don't want to know the market, whatever. But how else would you trade if you have no way to know when the market gonna reverse? No way to know now. It's just so random. So random. If it comes back down here, what you gonna do? Buy or sell? Who knows? Hit the 200 perfectly. It's just crazy, man. Nobody gets it. Hmm. Who knows? Who knows, man? Who knows? Who knows? To take a buy here, man. See what the hell they're gonna do. 11, 12. see now if they're actually gonna do something about this. Keep going up. When it hits 200, we're gonna go break even. Actually, let's go break even right now. It's gonna be our last trade actually, because we are exhausted. Market just be playing too much today. Gonna be our last trade. So good. Some days you win, some days you lose. Out of the business. What the bigs doing? All the bigs going down now. It's going back up now. All right, guys, like and subscribe. Leave your comments. Give us our feedback. What can be improved? Tell us if you like the stream. We need the dollar to crash back to 600. This crash, we're gonna hit our TP. We're definitely gonna hit our TP if this crash from here. If the big crashes here, 240, and the dollar, it's a chance. It's a likable chance. Look at the 200 being respected again. Really strong key level. 50 seconds left. We gotta close above 200. that 5 minute. Gotta close at least around here. It hit the 80 again. Strong key level, 50% of the zone. Our only chance is basically a break to 230, retracement, and their continuation. All right, new candle. It's 11:20. New candle. This is the moment of truth right here. This candle can come all the way down or can go up. The order flow is bullish right now. It printed really bullish. Yeah, it printed bullish at 189. Yeah, right now it's still bullish. The order flow to break 200. Moment of truth right here. This key level is really strong, as you can see. Really strong. Same as these ones right here. The 22. The order flow is bearish now. Strong bearish. They selling 22 contracts. He tapped it 1, 2, 3 times. What a day on the charts. What a beautiful day. We need the dollar to crash. Literally, the dollar has to crash. That's our only bet, that the dollar crashes. There is no news. Why it's not crashing? Oh, look. 30, 30, 34 minutes ago. That was around around 10:50. 10:50. You see? That's why. Because Trump tweeted. This guy always mess up our trades. 34 minutes ago. That's the reason. This right here didn't work. 10:50. Right here. 10:50. That's the reason. Take a look at that. You see? That was Trump tweet. I knew I was not bugging. I knew it. I knew I was not crazy. Something was up. That's the reason. Right, hit the 200 again. Oh, come on, break that. They holding this so strong there. Look at the dollar still going up. That's why the dollar's going up. Trump says China offered to help on Iran. Trump says he didn't want to see Hormuz Strait open. He won't give military equipment to Iran. All right. Look at that. That's insane, bro. Look at this, man. What? You cannot make this up, man. This is unbelievable. What you gotta do is laugh. Sales are cool here. Sell there, you're on profit. Sell there, you're on profit. Then I don't know where you just break. Might take us out and then break all the way there. So it's a whole shit show. It's a circus. Now it's below the 80, which is not good at all. Hmm. Tough one. Really tough one. We're not a fan of buying the high, but we were planning on the market keep going. But that's it. Took us out. What a shit show, man. What a shit show. Literally a shit show. This is just unbelievable. Cannot make this up. No, it's going up. 3 minutes left. Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. Really interesting. Market got trapped at 80 point thing. Got it right now. Hmm. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Can't make this up. Now the dollar wants to drop. What a show. Welcome to the trading market, man. 11:27, 11:30, right there around the corner. Keeps rejecting those prices. Really tough one. Really tough one. All right, we're gonna stay here to see if actually 200 kilo was gonna break. That looks interesting. And the order flow they sold 193. Strong sell right there. New candle. New candle. 15-minute candle. Look at that candle. That candle was Trump news. It just came in to mess up our trades. They first get you thinking that it's gonna sell out. They come with the news, pump it up. And now you're just bullshitting here. What a drag. Look at that. Yeah, it don't look wanna go up. How likely is this to sell off on these levels? It's a really tough. It's really tough one. How likely it is to fall from here? How likely? Look at it now. Now it wants to go. Let's see a break of 200. That's the only way. Mark keeps hitting, get rejected. There he goes again. The 80. Really strong 11. 180. The order flow already printed. Berries here. 180 again. Brand new candle. 1 minute. Oof. Look at that. Let's see. No tweets. What is it? All right, let's see. Wanna go down now? 26 minutes, 26 seconds. Brand new candle. What is the VIX doing? VIX going down. It's 150 right now. Breaking retest of 150. 3 minutes to go. Put a buy them at 150. See, this one works. The VIX going down. Maybe the dollar is going down. Nope. Moment is going up. Upstairs, baby. All right, finally. 180 again. That's crazy. Key level of the day. 180 and 020. 2 key levels of the day. Look how perfect it hits. 180 again. That's unbelievable. This definitely gonna be our last trade of the day, because there's been too much today. We try our best. But the market today, so manipulative. A lot of manipulations. That tweet from Trump kill us here. That whole rally was Trump tweets. That definitely killed us. Definitely did. Right. It's above the 20 now, of the 80. Looks you wanna go above it now a little bit. There you go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Right, it's about to be 12 soon. 12 o'clock. Alright, it's about to hit the 20. 200 key level. Let's see. Let's see. It's getting there. It's getting there. Let's go break even. Okay. Alright, this candle looks promising. That candle looks promising right there. There we go. Finally broke it. Finally, man. Jesus. Finally. Finally broke that key level. Jesus. That was so hard to do. Jesus Christ, man. Got the dollar still bought itself. move a stop loss below this. They might come back down to the 80. Come on, man, you're right there. Oh my, new candle coming for everything. New candle coming for the kill at the 20. All right, what we get here? Break and retest. Gonna We're not gonna let it go all the way back down to the 80. I'm gonna take profit here. Smart way to do. Smart thing to do actually. There we go. Finally, we're getting something. Stop loss below this candle. Rolling with the market. Right, got us out with some profits. That's it. That's trade of the day. We try chat. Let us let us know what you think about the streaming. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow at the same time, alright? Yeah, enjoy your day. Blessings.